So of the trades taken over the last 2 months, this position was one of the few low risk, high quality trades. And I think it tells in how it plays out. Welcome back to the Daily Nugget. It's day 198 of 365. Let's break down this long position on Euro Pound, which resulted in a 1.2% win. So here the daily was bullish, the 4-hour was also bullish, nature was impulsive. Take note of those 3 points. Those are positions I didn't enjoy taking because sometimes price just continues to run and it doesn't give you a chance to get in. I think once you learn how to refine your entries and catch these trades that are just playing out from the high time frame right down to the low time frame, they become or are starting to become some of my favorite positions. The 4-hour, I was originally looking to take it out of this POI, but then we got quite an aggressive reaction away from that. And I normally look for a mitigation and then internal time-based liquidity sweep. We didn't get that. We literally just got a tap and go type of scenario. I think that's where I started taking note that something may be shifting and that we weren't going to get price coming all the way down back below these lows, because normally if we displace, that far away from that POI, then we usually form another POI from which price then rejects from. And just going back up to the 4-hour, that's what we did. That extreme point that essentially mitigated the initial area I was looking at became then the area of interest that I look to take my entry from. And I think this is quite clean from the 1 hour, because that obviously became my new 1 hour range. I just identified that as a point which price could potentially reach below, which we did. And it's just clean when price kind of plays out like this and you're getting almost this 1 hour structure that forms post mitigation of an area, which just gives more confidence that we are reacting in a way that's going to see price continue in the intended direction. And so on the 15-minute, this was quite clear. Set the limit order after we got that internal sweep and then the displacement higher. This was comfortably within one of my trading sessions, and price played out quite nicely. There were a few, I think, entry opportunities here, and this continued to sort of correct for a bit, but stops were never really tested. Played out quite nicely to the take profit area. Remember guys, consistency is the choice you make when you start doing the things you know you should be doing day in and day out.